So Honor has officially announced the Magic 8 Pro, and according to the brand, the device would officially launch globally on the 23rd of October. Now, this phone doesn't just bring raw performance, it's built to impress in design, durability, and innovation. Anyway, let's break down what this device has to offer. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So starting with the design, the phone has an 8.3mm thickness and weighs just 219 grams, which means it's one of the thinnest and lightest smartphones in the market. The device comes in several SIM options, including dual nano SIM. This is only for the Chinese market, and then there is a nano SIM plus eSIM for the international market and dual eSIM. The device is also rated IP60 and IP69K, meaning it's dust tight, water resistant, and can even handle high pressure water jets and immersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Now, the display is where Honor really flexed its muscles. It features a 6.71-inch LTPO OLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, and it supports Dolby Vision and HDR Vivid. Peak brightness goes all the way up to a blinding 6000 nits, which is impressive, guys, and the screen is protected by the giant Rhino glass. Under the hood, the Magic 8 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, and the phone runs on the Android 16 with MagicOS 10 on top, and Honor promises up to 7 major Android upgrades, which is a huge commitment for longevity. Now, memory options are generous, although there is no SD card support. Now, the device comes in 4 storage options, including 12GB RAM and 256GB storage, 12GB RAM and 512GB, 16GB RAM and 512GB, and finally 16GB RAM and 1TB, all running on UFS 4.0 storage for lightning fast data transfer. In the camera department, the device features a triple rear camera setup, including a 50MP wide-angle lens with f1.6 aperture with multi-directional phase detection of the focus and OIS support, followed by a massive 200MP periscope telephoto lens with OIS support as well, and a 50MP ultra-wide-angle lens. The front-facing camera is 50MP, which is capable of recording 4K videos. Also, the main rear camera can record 4K videos at up to 60 FPS. Other features include stereo speakers, but sadly there is no 3.5mm headphone jack. The device also features Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, GPS and other essential navigation systems. You also get NFC, infrared ports, USB Type-C 3.2 with DisplayPort 1.2 and OTG support. Security features includes an ultrasonic under-display fingerprint sensor and Face ID, and other sensors includes accelerometer, gyro, proximity, emergency SOS via satellite, but this feature is only limited to the Chinese market. Powering it all is a massive 7200 mAh battery for the global market and 6270 mAh battery for the European market. Charging is insanely fast as well, with 120 watts wired charging, 80 watts wireless charging, reverse wireless, and 5 watts reverse wireless charging support, which means you can use this device as a power bank. Now, the phone is available in black, white, gold, and mint colorways, and its official price is expected to start at around $750. So these are the top features of the Honor Magic 8 Pro. Personally, these are insane spec for just $700. Anyway, what are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.